Good morning class 10. This is your part 5 video from exercise 8.3, that is matrices. Okay. So today we start from question number 22 subpart 1. Okay. So in question 22 subpart 1, -3 to 0 minus 5 x2 equals to minus 5y. Find the value of x and y. Okay, so first of all we know the rules of the multiplication of two matrices, that row into column, but you see that here is only one column, so row into column, that means -3 into x plus 2 into 2. Done. Now turn for second row, because first row over, no second column is there, so 0 into x plus minus 5 into 2 equals to minus 5y. So minus 3x plus 4, 0 plus minus 2 5s are 10, okay, equals to minus 5 by y. So what is there going there? That is minus 3x plus 4 by minus 10 is equals to minus 5y. So that means this equals to this one, that is y equals to minus 10, and minus 3x plus 4 equals to minus 5, that is minus 3x equals to minus 5, minus 4 plus 4 going this side, this is minus 4. So minus 3x is minus 9, minus cancel, x equals to 9 upon 3, that is 3. So the value of x is 3 and the y is minus 10. Okay, note. Question number directly 30. In 30 number question, A1 1 0 4 3 minus 3 2 equals to B11 4 C. Find the value of A, B and C. Okay, so first of all we know the rules of multiplication, row into column, row into column. That means a into 4 plus 1 into minus 3, a into 3 plus 1 into 2, a into 3 1 into 2. Okay, now 1 into 4 plus 0 into minus 3, 1 into 3 plus 0 into 2. Second row, first column, second row, second column. Okay, equals to B4 11C. So 4a plus minus 3, 3a plus 2, 4, 0 into 3, it's 0 plus 0, 3 into 3, okay, plus 0. Done. Equals to B11 4C. You see that 4 equals to 4 equal. Okay, so 3 equals to C, so therefore C equals to 3 equals to sign is given. 4a minus 3, 4a minus 3 is equals to B. Okay, because 4a minus 3 equals to B. First row, first column number, first row and first column number. Okay, and now here is 3a plus 2 equals to 11, 3a plus 2 equals to 11, so 3a equals to 11 minus 2, 3a equals to 9, a equals to 9 upon 3, that is 3. Value of a is 3, so you put the value of a is here, that is 4 into 3 minus 3 equals to b. So 4 3s are 12 minus 3 equals to b. 12 minus 3 is 9 equals to b. So the value of A is 3, B is 9 and C is again 3. Okay, note. Question number 33. In question number 33, if P equals to 2, 6, 3, 9 and Q equals to 3x, y 2, find the value of x and y, and given is PQ is equals to 0. That is 0 matrices, null matrices. Okay. So first of all we multiply PQ, that is 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 6 into y, again 2 into x plus 6 into 2, now 3 into 3 plus 9 into y, 3 into x plus 9 into 2. Okay, there is PQ, and PQ is equals to what? 0. That means null matrices. So you got the answer 2 into 2, that means 2 row and 2 column. So your null matrix is also 2 row 2 column, 2 row and 2 column equals to 0 given. Okay, that means this PQ portion is equals to what? 0, and each number is equals to 0. Okay, so here is 2 3 is 6 plus 6y, 2 into x, 2x plus 12, 3 3 is 9 plus 9y, 3x plus 18 equals to 0 0 0 0. So first of all you write down easily, you see that 6 plus 6y equals to 0, 6 plus 6y equals to 0. Again we write 2x plus 12 equals to 0. Again you see 9 plus 9y equals to 0, and again it's 3x plus 18 equals to 0. In each condition you see that 6y equals to minus 6, because plus 6 going this side is minus 6, so y equals to minus 6 by 6, that is minus 1. 2x equals to plus 12 going this side, this is minus 12. X equals to minus 12 by 2, that is minus 6. Okay, so 9y equals to minus 9, y equals to minus 9 by 9, that is minus 1. So you see again we get the value of y is minus 1 here, y is also minus 1 here. We get the value x is minus 6, you see here 3x plus 18 going this side is minus 18, x equals to minus 18 by 3, that is minus 6. So the value of, you see, x is minus 6 and y is minus 1. Okay, note. Now turn for question number 34. In question number 34, let m into 1 1 0 2 and here is 1 2, where m is a matrix. State the order of matrix and find the matrix m. First of all, clear the order of matrix. Order of matrix means number of row and number of column. Then find out the matrix. Okay. Before we start that, we know that the rules, we know that the formula, that m into n. Suppose this is your matrices m. This is given. Okay. So we know that m matrices contain m into n, row into column. We don't know how many rows and columns are there in the matrices m. Consider, we know that the formula m into n into p equals to m into p, because n cancel and m into p. Okay. So look here, we don't know about the matrices m. So in place of m in n, just let it m or n row. But in this place 2 row 2 column. So this one n is 2 and p is 2. Clear? Again I repeat, we don't know the matrices, order of matrices, so in place of matrices m, we consider row is m and column is n. Okay, but in this place we know that row is 2, here n is column, but here n is row. Okay, m into n into p equals to m into p. We know that. Okay, formula in first part video we discussed about this. So this is your 2 row and 2 column. So 2 row 2 column. Okay, in this you see 1 row and 2 column. So you see value of m is 1, so you write down here is m1, and value of n is 2, so you write down 2. That means we find out the matrices m is also 1 row and 2 columns. So let m matrix be A and B, 1 row and 2 column, because we find out from this portion that value of m or n is 1 2. That means first 1 row and 2 column, 1 row 2 column. Okay, clear? So in place of mb we write down AB, because matrices of m contain first 1 row and 2 column, 1 row and 2 column. Okay, into 1 1 0 2 equals to 1 2. Find the value of matrices m, that means find the value of A and B. We know that row into column, row into column. Okay, because first row into first column, first row into second column. No second row is there, so no second row, no first column. Okay, only first row, first column, first row, second column. We know that I multiply first row, first column, first row, second column. So A into 1 plus B into 0. A into 1, B into 0. Again A into 1 plus B into 2 is equals to 1 2. Okay, so A1s are 1, B0s are 0, A1 is 1, B2 is 2B equals to 1 2. So that means this A equals to 1, A equals to 1, and A plus 2B equals to 2. So we already get the value of A is 1, so that's why putting the value of A is 1 and 2B equals to 2. So 2B, 2, this one going this side is minus 1, so therefore 2B equals to 1, therefore B equals to 1 upon 2. So your matrices of M is AB. We take let it, because we find out 1 row second column, so we take it as let as A and B. Okay, so value of A is 1 and B is half. So you write down the matrix of M is 1 and half. Okay, note. Question number 35. In question number 35, 2 1 minus 3 4 x equals to 7 6. X is the matrices. Write the order of the x, that means matrix order of x matrices, and then find x. Same process as previous question. So we know that m into n for this matrices, n into p, and for this m into p. Okay, so here is 2 row and 2 column. So 2 row 2 column. We don't know about the x, so we write down n into p equals to, this one is 2 row and 1 column, 2 row and 1 column, 2 row 1 column. So you see n is here 2, so we write down 2, and here p is 1, so 1 set. That means we get the, for the matrices of x, let order of matrix x equals to 2 into 1, 2 into 1, because n into p, n is 2 here and p is 1 here, so 2 into 1, that means 2 row and 1 column, 2 row and 1 column. So let matrix of x be 2 row 1 column. Clear? So note down the question. 2 minus 3 1 4 AB equals to 7 6. We know that the multiplication process, row into column, only 1 row one row with one column because no second column is there. So 2 into A plus 1 into B, and here is minus 3 into A plus 4 into B. One row, first column, no second column is there, and second row, first column. Okay, equals to 7 and 6. 2 into A, 2A plus 1 into B, B minus 3 into A, it's minus 3A plus 4B is equals to 7, 6. Okay, so this portion is equals to 7, that means 2A plus B equals to 7 as equation 1, and minus 3A plus 4B is equals to 6 as equation 2. So we calculate the value of B from here, that is B equals to 7 minus 2A plus 2A going this side, minus 2A, putting the value of B, that is minus 3A plus 4. In place of B, write down 7 minus 2A equals to 6. Place of B, write down 7 minus 2A. Okay, so minus 3A, 4 7s are 28, minus 8A equals to 6. So minus 3A minus 8A, minus 11A plus 28 equals to 6. So minus 11A, 6 plus 28 going this side, minus 28, minus 11A equals to minus 22, minus minus cancel, A equals to 22 by 11, that is 2. So the value of A is 2. Now time for B. B equals to 7 minus 2A. In place of A, write down 2. So 7 minus 4 equals to 3. So therefore A equals to 2 and B equals to 3. So your X matrices 2 row and 1 column. We taken AB, so A is 2 and B is 3. Okay, note.